it's Sejal. I'm a little bit unwell today and I sound like a bit of a man. So I'm still on a bit of a festive Navratri, Diwali, Durga Puja spirit after my last video, which was festive makeovers that I did with Komal. So this video is all about creating an outfit or building an outfit from scratch. All of us are so used to going to the mall or just shopping online and looking at one thing and getting it in our hands in the next day or that very second. But you know, the whole process of selecting a design that you want, selecting a kapda that you want, going to your mummy, nani or a tailor and getting that whole thing made is just so nice and nostalgic. It brings back so many memories. मेरी नानी के पास एक sewing machine होती थी और घर पे हम लोग कपड़ा select करके या उनकी कोई पुरानी साड़ी से कुछ नया बनाते थे, मेरे लिए कुछ dress बनाते थे. With all these fast fashion brands and everything being now, just that whole process of building something from scratch and just making it really special and something that lasts a long time and actually means something is just such a sweet and nice idea. Sometimes you just don't find what you're looking for. A lot of the times I have this crazy idea in my head that हाँ मुझे यही चाहिए and वो कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा. I'm going to be building an outfit from scratch specifically for the festive season and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. If you guys do, make sure you hit subscribe, like, comment and all that good stuff and let's begin. So I don't know a lot about how to design clothes or design an outfit apart from whatever मैंने अपनी नानी और मम्मा को करते हुए देखा है. So I thought it'll be helpful to do some research about this. Yes, I was watching Coffee with Karan. Let's ignore that. Designs clothes. WikiHow is the best place to learn how to do anything. So find your inspiration, consider fabric, consider color and pattern, make a dummy, recreate the pattern on muslin. Okay, this is getting very complicated from all the information that I've gathered up. First off, find my inspiration. Second, kapda chahiye. Third, drawing banani hai. Basic drawing ke saath bhi kaam chal jayega. Fourth, get the stitching. Now, I'm not going to be able to stitch it. Now, I know a lot of you guys will stitch your outfit from scratch, bana rahi ho, khud to stitch karne rahi ho. But hey, figuring out all of this and getting it done from a tailor is an art in itself, okay? Anyone who's gotten anything done from a tailor, it completely depends on how you get it done. Okay? Fifth, do the alterations. And sixth, enjoy the damn outfit. Okay, step number one is my inspiration. 3 साल पहले मैं और मेरी mom एक exhibition पे गए थे where a bunch of designers were showcasing their wedding outfit or festive outfit designs. And we went into Anita Dongre's stall and I saw this amazing outfit, a long floor length anarkali with shorts. And उसको देखते गए, I remember मैंने अपनी mom को कहा था कि ये मैं अपने भाई की शादी पे पहनूंगी. I thought that outfit is so me, so different, and the fact that it was with shorts was really cool. And when we inquired about the price, it was for 4 lakh rupees. Yes, and this is in no way putting a number to her work or saying that it's not worth that amount of money, because all of that stuff is handmade and the brand value is also insane. And I know for a fact that ये outfit will never be in her new collections again. I don't think it'll ever be, and I don't think I'll find an outfit like this anywhere ever again too. So this is the inspiration behind what I want to make, because it's been 3 years and that outfit still hasn't left my mind. Next up, fabric. Now for the anarkali part of it, I needed something that's see-through because it goes all the way to the ground and I wanted like skin to show through it. That sounds very creepy, but it looked nice with see-through. My mom last night very kindly allowed me to use this old sari of hers, which is another example of घर पे क्या होता है. अब मेरी नानी भी अपनी पुरानी साड़ियों से मेरी dresses वगैरह बनाती थी. Now this I think is perfect because it has this really nice golden lining. So this can be used to make the anarkali का सामने का border, and इसके ऊपर there are a lot of these little details also. For the material of the shorts, we're gonna go to a place which is really famous for selling really good quality cloths. So let's go there. So we made it to this place called Mega Mall. I used to come here as a kid and used to think this is the coolest mall ever, but now it's become so lame. There's literally nothing here. But I know that there's a place that I can buy fabric from. It's called Super Textiles.
I wanted something that would be contrasting with the color of the anarkali, so I told the shopkeeper that I wanted something in either blue or orange, and as for the material, he suggested that brocade would be good for something like this.
We ended up getting 2 meters of the kapda and we paid 2,990 and first thought expensive. Now I don't really know कि usually कपड़े का क्या rate रहता है, but my first thought was that this is expensive. Okay, step number 3 is a light, easy, rough sketch. Now I'm very bad at drawing, so we're gonna make a little bit of a bad drawing here. And this is purely for reference sake. I'm gonna show that photo of mine and this drawing to the tailor Priya. I know I want a V-neck for sure, and I want these really light, nice elbow length sleeves. And this is the long anarkali floor length, and the buttons go till here, till the waist. Nice little border, which is on the saree already. These are gonna be slightly high-waisted. Also, these are the little details जो साड़ी पे already design है. That's gonna be all over. All right. Last night I was discussing with my mom और कहाँ ऐसे stitching का काम हो सकता है. She told me that she'd seen an article on LBB exactly about this, and this one is called Dress Well Goyal, and we actually even called this one up, and he said that आपको एक दिन में चाहिए, 2 दिन में चाहिए, कितने भी टाइम में चाहिए outfit मिल जाएगा, and he said the price of refurbishing and अपना कपड़े से कुछ बनाने का price भी would be reasonable. Now we headed to Gautam Nagar to get this outfit stitched to Dress Well Goyal in Gautam Nagar. It's pretty cool. I actually even found Dress Well Goyal on Ola and Uber and Google Maps, so it's pretty easy to find. जैकेट टाइप का रहेगा, तो बस मैं साड़ी
बाजू सी फ्री जो है यहाँ पर ये बंद करके बुक भी लग जाएगा।
थोड़ा खुला रखना,
मैं समझ गया, ये खुला ही जाएगा।
He charged us 3,000 rupees for the entire stitching and all, but this is really funny because वो कपड़े का cost भी around 3,000 ही था. So I need to go and check what the market rate is. We inquired with a few other tailors as well. They said that around 2,000, 2,500 में हो जाएगा काम. So I'm guessing he slightly hiked up the price, but he's gonna give it to us in 2 days for a trial. So I didn't really negotiate. Also, he was really sweet. So let's hope for the best for the trial. So 3 days later, finally got the outfit, and this is the first time I'm actually seeing it. So fingers crossed कि अच्छा बना हो. Okay, the shorts are, they look a little big and definitely much longer than I wanted them to be. This is the jacket. This actually doesn't look so bad. I'm not too big a fan of the lining. Big problem with the shorts. It looks like a little bit, ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने वो Bermuda shorts पहनी हुई हैं. And a little bit of a problem with this lining. I'm not really liking the material of this lining. But to be fair, this jacket looks okay. It becomes this shorter. Then I think it's much better. Definitely looks way better. And if this was a little tighter from the back, much better. About 60 to 70% happy with this. Considering this was my first time, I think it went decently well. Although I could have been a little more careful about small things like कौन सी lining use हो रही है, exact fitting कैसी है, which because it's my first time I did not know how to go about with those things. But apart from that, will I wear this outside my house? Yes, maybe after getting it fit properly and accessorizing it nicely. I will actually wear this outside my house and I'm pretty happy with it. Also, I think it was a fun experience because this is entirely unique and I got it done myself, so it's more of like a memory, nostalgia kind of thing. And I think it'll be fun to do more of these kind of videos and create more things from scratch. And also, if you guys take inspiration from this and design something on your own and build an outfit from scratch yourself, post it on Instagram, tag me, use the outfit, use the hashtag outfit from scratch, and I'll definitely check it out and repost it on my story. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, do comment below and let me know what wacky outfits you think I should create from scratch, and I'll make them soon. So also, don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 1 million subscribers, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.